traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, August 21st, and this is my recap of the top field videos of the day. And the pound US dollar came in number 3 today, so we're going to do a quick recap on the 1 hour time frame. If you'd like to see my full top down analysis from this morning, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So another good push up on the dollar pairs, man. It's been an awesome trading conditions for trend traders. I left this Fibonacci retracement out here just because I try to say how easy this possibly could be if you allow it to be. Because what are we doing? We're looking for 1, 2, 3-way pullbacks. We're looking for Fibonacci bounces. We're looking for engulfing moves to the upside. Pretty simple, honestly. 1, 2, 3 ways down, engulfing up, go long. 1, 2, 3 ways down, engulfing up, go long. 1, 2, 3 ways down, engulfing up, go long. 1, 2, 3 ways down, engulfing up, go long. So what am I doing right now? I'm definitely not fighting this trend. I definitely think we're in a wave 3 on the much higher time frames. So what am I doing? I'm looking at these Fibonacci areas for possible areas of resistance. I'm waiting patiently for more 3-way pullbacks to go long again for the continuation of this uptrend. You definitely don't want to be fighting this wave 3 trend, especially because this is like a daily, weekly time frame trend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.